Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Monarch account. Monarch makes it easy to track all of your accounts, optimize your spending, analyze your investments, and it is a modern way to manage your money. So if you want to create Monarch account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.monarchmoney.com. Press enter. Now you can see here you'll be led to the official website of Monarch Money. At the top right corner you can see two options, sign in and sign up. If you already have an account you can directly sign into your account, but since we want to create the Monarch account we have to click on sign up. Now you'll be led to this page. You can either continue with Apple or continue with Google, or you can also sign up with your email. To sign up with email, first of all, click on the email address box and enter your email. Now click on sign up with email. Now Monarch will send you a 6-digit code to your email address. All you have to do is check out your email address and enter the code. All you have to do is go to your email. Depending on the browser, you can open the email through various processes. If you're opening Google Chrome, all you have to do is click on the Gmail option over here. Now you can see here Monarch has sent me the code. Now all you have to do is memorize this code and enter it. Click on the code. Now after entering the code, you'll have to click on verify email. Now here you'll have to create a new password. Make sure your password must contain at least 8 characters and it should include one symbol and one number. Now all you have to do is click on create password over here. Now you have to select your financial priorities over here. Simply click on these options. After clicking on the financial options that is suitable for you, all you have to do is click on the continue button over here. Now they will ask you how you heard about Monarch. You can see here there are several options over here. You have to select any option that you want. Now click on continue button over here. Now you will be led to this page. Here you'll have to enter your full name. You'll also have to select the country of residence. Now you have to answer these yes/no questions. Read these questions very carefully and answer it. Simply click on the answer, yes or no. Now click on continue. Now here you can see you'll be led to this page. All you have to do is click on continue. Now you'll be led to this page. Read these informations very carefully and click on continue. Now you'll be led to this page. Here you can see the payment details. All you have to do is pay for your plan. Or if you do not like this plan, you can also click on see all plans. You can see all the plans over here. All you have to do is select the plan of your choice and then pay for your plan via your credit card or any other payment methods. That is how you create Monarch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.